Sheba, what's up?
I'm good, big brother.
Maybe big brother. Is the tension still inside you?
Yes, there is. There's a little bit of that. I'm
Okay.
very well, thank you.
I mean, before we get to the wager loss, congratulations. You were the head of house for the week.
Thank you.
All right. But besides the wager loss and you winning, you got emotional a few times this week. I saw you particularly at some points in the garden, I believe. You were a bit teary-eyed. What got you emotional this week?
Can't the person have privacy in this house?
Apparently not. What was the problem? What was the pressure like? And where was it coming from?
I'm a crier, and I don't want to do that right now. First and foremost, I miss my son a lot, so that's one thing. And, you know.
Did the housemates get to you in any way?
To be honest, there's a lot of pressure. Pressure being the head of house, it's not easy. It comes with a lot of pressure. Trying to get people who are very audacious, opinionated to do certain things the way, you know, you have been assigned to make it happen, while still trying to stay sane in, you know, such an environment where you do not have the, you know, ability to remove yourself and catch a breath.
Whose shoulder did you lean on through this, though?
A couple of... God. What's going on?
We know what that giggle is like. Tram, what's up?
Yes, sir.
You've kind of been on the receiving end of this. And I want to know what you think about this thing about kid, child, small boy. You know, what's your thoughts on it?
Honestly, I feel like, personally, I've done a lot for myself at this age. And I feel like it hurts when people discredit me because I'm 24. Because I wouldn't be here if I didn't have something.
Who have you felt discredited by?
I mean, Normie, for instance. You know, I feel like the other day she said, I'm a kid, I'm childish. But it's like, you've tried to be here 5 times in a row. And I'm childish, and I'm here with you still. So it kind of feels like, I don't want to say it hurts, because it actually doesn't hurt. So like, it's just what it is. But, I mean, I don't feel like anyone else has made me feel like a kid. If anything, Ricky makes me feel like he's my brother. If anything, I appreciate him, if anything. So, yeah.